Good morning, my dear student. Today we are going to learn the second problem on the two-wheeler vehicle. A garrow wheel D of the mass is 0.5 kg. That is, a garrow wheel of mass is 0.5 kg. I will represent here mass M equal to 0.5 kg, and the radius of gyration, it is a value, it is given as K equal to 20 mm. Okay, is mounted in a pivoted frame C as shown in a figure. A garrow D is mounted on the C frame, okay, as shown in a figure. The axis of pivoted passes through the center of rotation O of the wheel. So this means that this wheel is rotated from the center point. Is it right? But the center of gravity G of the frame C is 10 mm below O. So this means that garrow wheel of the center point is O. O is given. The center of gravity G of the frame C is 10 mm below. So this means that O2H, O2G equal to H equal to how much? 10 mm. So this means that the height is given as 10 mm below the O point. How much? 10 mm below the O. The frame has a mass of 0.30 kg. That frame is having the mass of, second mass is M2. This is the first mass M1, and second mass of a frame is, okay, the second mass of the frame is, how much is given? 0.30 kg is given. Okay, dear. And speed of rotation of a wheel, how much is given? The speed of rotation of a wheel is 3000 rpm, where in the anti-clockwise direction. So this means that the speed of rotation of the wheel is anti-clockwise direction. The speed is given as N equal to 3000 rpm. Okay, dear. The entire unit is mounted on a vehicle so that the axis AB is parallel to the direction of motion of the vehicle. The axis AB is parallel to the direction of motion of the vehicle. Okay. If the vehicle travel at 15 meter per second, so this means that the velocity or speed, the speed of the vehicle V, it is given as 15 meter per second. Okay, dear. In a curve of radius, the radius of curve, how much is given? R, it is given as 50 meter. Okay. Find the inclination of the garrow wheel from the vertical. So the first condition is given here. In this case, we need to find out the value of theta. What we need to find out? We need to find out the inclination of garrow wheel. We need to find out. So this means that we need to find out the value of theta in this equation. The first condition is given. The vehicle moves in the direction of arrow X, taking the left hand turn. Let us see. If the observer is observed from here, the left hand side is this one and the right hand side is this one. So he is telling that the vehicle move in the direction of arrow X, taking which turn here? Left hand turn, and Y is taking the right hand turn. Is it right? And second condition is given as the vehicle is reversed at the same speed in the direction of arrow Y along the same path. Is it right? Let us see. The first thing is what we need to find out. We need to find out the mass moment of inertia of the gyro wheel. We need to find out. Okay. Mass moment of inertia of a gyro wheel. Okay, here. Then we have the formula is I equal to mass into radius of gyration. Is it right? The mass, how much mass is given here? 0.5 kg mass is given. 0.5. And the radius of gyration, how much is given? 20 mm. So this means that if you convert into meter means 20 into 10 power of minus 3 meter. So it will convert as 0.020 meter. Okay, not here. Then we need to substitute here 0.02 whole square. So if you are multiply with the help of calci, then you will get the answer is 0.0002 kg meter square. That is the value of I. Okay, dear. Again, what we need to find out? We need to find out the angular velocity. We need to find out angular velocity. For the angular velocity, we have the formula is, what is the formula we have? W omega equal to 2 pi n by 60. 2 as it is, pi value is 3.142. Speed of rotation of a gyro wheel, it is given as how much? 3000 rpm by 60. Okay, so if you are divide this term, then you will get the value of omega equal to 314.2 radian per second. That is the value of omega. Okay, dear. After that, we need to find out the angular velocity of precision. We need to find out. So angular velocity of precision. Okay, dear. The angular velocity of precision, we have the formula is omega p is equal to v by r. V is given and r also given in this case. So v, how much is given? V is given as 50 meter per second and r is given as 15 meter. It is given 15 by 50. So if you are divide with the help of calci, then you will get the answer is 0.3 radian per second. That is the value of angular velocity of the precision. After that, you need to solve the first condition. The vehicle move in the direction of arrow x taking the left hand turn along the curve. We need to find out. The first condition is, okay, the vehicle moves in the direction of the arrow x taking left hand curve all, okay, left hand turn curve. Okay dear, then after that we need to find out the gyroscopic couple value. Okay dear, then C1 gyroscopic couple value C1 equal to I into omega p. So I, we have found out I is the mass moment of inertia, omega is angular velocity, omega p is angular velocity of precision, into, we know very well the formula is into cos theta. But in this case what we need to find out, we need to find out the theta value, or we need to find out the inclination value. I value how much is given? I value is given as 0.002. Okay, 0.0002. The omega is indicate that the angular velocity, it is given as 314.2. 314.2 radian per second, and the omega p value is V by R. How much we are getting? 0.3 into cos theta. That is the value of C1. If you are multiply with the help of calc, then you will get the answer is 0.019 into cos theta. How is it? In counterclockwise direction. How they rotating here? They are rotating in counterclockwise direction. They are rotating. After that, we need to find out the centrifugal couple. We need to find out in this case. Please take this snapshot. I will rub this portion. Okay. Next one, the centrifugal couple where at a point of O, at O. So we need to find out the centrifugal value C2. So what is the value? Because we have the two mass, because first mass is gyrovial mass is there, another mass is frame mass, m2 mass is given. We have to use the mass of m2 we have to use. So m into v square by r into h cos theta, we have the formula, but instead of m we have to present as mass m2, the mass of the frame. Okay, the mass m2 how much is given? 0.30. Okay, 0.3. Okay, 0 into v. V value how much here? Velocity v is given as 15 whole square by r is how much? 50 meter into height. H how much is given here? He is given the height is 0.01 into cos theta. Okay, so h is how much is given here? Don't be confused. H is value is 10 mm. So if you convert, h is equal to 10 into 10 power of minus 3 meter. So it should be how much? 0.01 meter. That is the value of h. Okay, for that reason I put as a 0.01 meter. Okay, into cos theta. If you are divide with the help of calc, then you will get the answer is 0.0135 into cos theta. That is the value of C2. Okay, then after that we need to find out the total overturning, but total overturning in which the gyroscopic, so centrifugal couple C1 and C2 is acting in opposite direction. For that reason we are taking as the overturning is C1 minus of C2 we are taking. Okay dear, please take this snapshot. So total overturning couple we need to find out. If you want to find out total overturning couple, it is represented by CO equal to C1 minus of C2. C1 value is 0.019 into cos theta minus of C2 value is 0.0135 into cos theta. So if you subtract 0.019 minus of 0.013, then you will get the value is 0.005 cos theta. That is the value of total overturning couple. So total, the negative sign is indicate that the couple is acting in a opposite direction. I will write here, negative sign is used for opposite direction. Okay dear, then we got it, the total overturning couple. After that we need to find out the balancing couple we need to find out. So okay, we need to find out the balancing couple. Okay dear, the balancing couple balancing couple, we have the formula is mgh into sine theta, but here we have to represent as mass m2. Mass m2 how much is given here? Mass is given as 0.30, acceleration due to gravity is 9.81, h how much is given? 0.01 meter into sine theta we need to find out. That is the value of balancing couple. We know very well that total overturning couple should be equal to the balancing couple. From that one we can easily find out the value of theta value. So for that reason, the total overturning couple, total overturning couple equal to balancing couple. The total overturning couple how much is given? 0.005 cos theta equal to the balancing couple value is given as 0.29. So I forgot this one, 0.029 into sine theta. Okay here, that is the value of balancing couple. So we need to kept here 0.029, okay, 29 into sine theta. You need to divide this term 0.005 by 0.029 equal to sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta nothing but tan theta. If you divide this term, then you will get the value is 0.1896. If you divide this term, then you will get 0.1896 equal to sin theta by cos theta, nothing but we can say as tan theta. So tan theta equal to 0.1896, theta equal to tan inverse of 0.1896. So if you calculate with the help of calci, then you will get the value is 10.74 degree. That is the value of theta of angle of inclinations in the first case. Again we need to find out the vehicle is reversed at the same speed in the direction of arrow y along the same path we need to find out. Okay, please take this snapshot. So I will rub this one here. Second B case. So next condition, when the vehicle reverse as at the same speed in the direction of arrow, y along the same path. Okay. So in this case, what happened here? In this case, what happened? If the vehicle is reversed the same speed in the direction of y direction, in the direction of y direction of the same speed, what happened? The couple C1 and C2 is acting in the same direction. If it is acting in the same direction, we have to consider as C1 plus C2. Is it right? Let us see. Total overturning couple CO equal to C1 plus C2. C1 already we have found out. Is it right? C1 nothing but the gasoscopic couple and C2 nothing but centrifugal force. Okay. The C1, how much we got it here? We got the value is 0.019 cos theta plus C2 we got it as 0.0135 cos theta. If you add this both the value, then you will get the value is 0.035. 0.0325. I am getting the value 325 cos theta Newton meter. Is it right? That is the value of total overturning couple. As well as the same balancing couple, we know the values. How much is there? The same balancing couple we have to take here. The balancing couple equal to, how much we got it here? We got the answer is 0.029. Okay, 0.029 sin theta. After that, what we need to find out here? Total overturning couple should be is equal to the balancing couple. The total, I will drop this one. Total overturning couple equal to the balancing couple. Total overturning couple, how much we got it here? We got the value is 0.0325 cos theta. The balancing couple value is 0.029 sin theta. Then if you divide this value 0.0325 by 0.029 equal to sin theta by cos theta. The sin theta by cos theta value is tan theta equal to 1.129. Is it right? After that, 0 I am getting. Tan theta equal to 1.120, theta value equal to tan inverse of 1.120. After that, if you calculate the value with the help of calci, then you will get the answer is 48.26 degree. The angle of inclination in the first case, the angle of inclination in the second case, how much we are getting here? We are getting the value is 48.26 degree of angle of inclination of the gyro wheel. Okay dear? Thank you dear. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.